Hi friends, welcome to Asia Controls. So today we are going to see about the topic about air conditioner indoor unit. So high wall split AC indoor unit. So we can get in the market separately in indoor units. So normally we are using split ACs in our homes. So we can change indoor and outdoor separately if that is not working. If after 4 5 years the indoor PCB is get corrupt or the coil was leak, so other looks was not nice, so you can change only indoor unit. So that type of indoor units all brands are not giving, so only few brands are giving with the name of other names they are giving. So this is actually Carrier brand indoor unit, CAMIPRO. So this one is Carrier media product, so that's a CAMIPRO full form. So you can use that Carrier media product into your home. So if you want to change only separate to indoor, you can use. So this indoor is compatible with R22, R32 and R410 refrigerants. So you no need to worry about that. If your earlier if your AC is before 7 years or 10 years, so your AC is to R22 gas, so you can directly use, because this nowadays the market the CAMIPRO indoors are coming up with all compatible 3 gases. Normally they are using it in refrigerant. So this one it's along with a box will come. So this is not assembled unit. This is a company they are directly giving. So this box will come up with remote also. So full box and indoor unit you will get. So just you plug and play only. So you need to directly insert the indoor unit and you have to see the performance. So thank you for watching. So please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.